High-quality programs have a well-developed curriculum that has a built-in roadmap for students, clearly laying out which courses to take in their chosen career pathway and in what order, as well as what is expected of them as they progress through the program. The curriculum in a high-quality program also tends to offer credit to students for prior experience, which shaves time off of their schooling and, for some who might be on the fence about enrolling in college, could be an incentive to do so. The curriculum also balances theory and application and emphasizes problem solving, which is high on the list of soft skills that employers are looking for in job candidates. The curriculum also prepares students for and supports them in obtaining an industry certification in their field. Industry certification is different from program accreditation in that an individual is certified as having learned skills to sufficiently perform work in a certain area, whereas program accreditation means a program as a whole has met the standards set by its accrediting agency. There are many certifications students can pursue. Some are required to be able to work in a field, such as in nursing, while others are optional but highly encouraged to increase a student's marketability. For instance, Microsoft offers an array of certifications, including those in mobility, cloud platform and data management, and analytics competencies. Similarly, the American Welding Society offers 9 different professional certifications. While the certifications may not be mandatory for working in those fields, having one or more of them would help push a job candidate higher on the list of applicants. Regional employers help decide which certification should be offered, and the same goes for curriculum. Employers play a critical role in developing the curriculum because most career education is in fast-growing fields. It must be reviewed continually so colleges can make program adjustments to meet the needs of the regional employers. To help with this, high-quality CTE programs seek the input of a standing advisory committee that includes industry representatives. Industry training and conferences are also a good way to keep up with changes in the field.